Devanshu, Prabdeep, Saloni Batra, Skand, and EPR Iyer. Welcome to CNN News 18.
Thank you.
You all will be seen in the upcoming Jio Cinema series Khalbali. So first, tell me about your respective characters. And Devanshu, what was the idea behind making this series?
I think shows like these, we are waiting for shows like these to be told. Like, I was brought upon the show when the idea was already conceived, and I must give the credit where it's due. Pratik Arora, very fine talent writer, he came up with this idea. He gave it to Shalini Sethi. She got us all on board. But it is about the music industry. It is about the stories we've been listening. It is the story about the controversies we think now we are a part of, because those are major controversies. But told in a fictional way, told with the help of amazing characters that you are seeing in front of you. There is a label, the giant music label. There is an indie label, the indie artists. Their Khalbali within the label, their suffering, their angst, the fun that they have, the camaraderie they share, the friendship, blood relationships, everything at stake at the cost of ambitions, pride and music. So ये अपने आप में एक इतना potent combination था, a project where I could work with real artists and watch them perform on stage and see their electrifying presence, and working with such amazing actors like Saloni and Skand, like a dream come true.
Sure.
मौज तो मौज है यार. ये कैरेक्टर बहुत विजनरी है और मैं भी विजनरी हूँ. In sense, like I think about what's gonna happen 5 years later, at least मेरे करियर में क्या हो रहा है और मैं कैसे अफेक्ट कर रहा हूँ मेरी फैटर्निटी को. तो मैं तो बहुत रिलेट किया इससे. और भाई साहब ने जो इंस्पिरेशन मेरे पास लेके आया वो मेरे खुद के गाने थे.
Okay.
तो एक लेयर और डीपर घुसा उसके अंदर कि अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है इसमें, और एक्सप्लोरेशन थी मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही है एक्टिंग वर्ल्ड में भी.
So Ananya Rai Singh is a sister and a daughter at the same time, और वो दोनों चीज़ें बैलेंस करने की कोशिश कर रही है. वो फैमिली को बाइंड करने की कोशिश कर रही है. शी इज़ लाइक द ग्लू बिटवीन राघव राय सिंह एंड अ फादर, वेयर शी इज सकमिंग टू द प्रेशर ऑफ द फादर कि जो एक कमर्शियल म्यूज़िक है, जो उनका रिकॉर्ड लेबल है, जहाँ उसको फंक्शन करना है इंडस्ट्री में, और जहाँ उसको अपने भाई को भी सपोर्ट करना है बिकॉज ही बिलीव्स इन समथिंग एंड शी नोज दैट इट्स द राइट थिंग टू डू, but she's unable to somewhere balance it because of having this father figure in her life who she also loves very dearly. So she's in the dichotomy of whether to do this or to do that, and she's facing a lot of problem in her love life as well. So she is trying to go behind that as well. So she's just trying to balance everything that you see around her, and then she crumbles, but then she rises from the ashes as well. And then she does something for herself, for her family, for her life, for the music industry, that then she stands up for and emerges a hero in her own life in that way. So yeah, that's Ananya Rai Singh for you.
Nice.
शो में वैसे तो राघव के साथ बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. There's a lot happening with this character, but I'll just give you a key few things which I think are important. He's representing an idea. He's representing a person who's representing a bigger community and a bigger idea. तो मौज का जो आपने अगर ट्रेलर देखा है तो उसमें बोलते हैं कि मौज के सपने को मैं मरने नहीं दूंगा. So मौज is basically representing an whole entire community of indie artists, and the way he wants to see the music industry go ahead, जो बोलते हैं unfiltered, क्या था? Uncensored, unfiltered, true hip hop label is what Moj is trying to create, and I take that forward. तो अब मेरे पे वो responsibility है कि मैं ये दुनिया को बताऊं कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है. इसके बीच में there's a tiff with my father, there's a tiff with my sister because वो मेरा family business है, उसको छोड़ के मैं आया हूँ. And there is finding new artists को handle करना, उनको समझना कि वो क्या चाहते हैं. I mean, there is a lot happening, but mostly it's, I think mainly is just, I think, representing an entire community of artists and what they really want to do and not do what they are told to do is what Raghav is trying to do.
Rudra is a character who is based out of Delhi. He's a middle class guy, does night shifts at call center, and whatever little time he gets, he just uses his pen to write songs and lives his dream in hip hop music, but he's directionless. And that's when he meets this splendid guy called Raghav, and that's when Khalbali happens in his life. So, yeah.
So then, to all of you here, is the show is about making of a label or making of an artist?
It is actually a lot more than these two. Like when we say खलबली, we mean music industry में जो आपको भी पता है क्या खलबली होती है, हर किस्म की खलबली. एक पुराने आर्टिस्ट को कैसे जगह से हटा दिया जाता है, नए आर्टिस्ट को कैसे बुली किया जाता है. विद इन द लेवल इतने आर्टिस्ट हैं, उन सब की क्या हायरार्की है.
कैसे किया जाता है रिप्लेस?
मैं तो लेवल ओनर नहीं हूँ.
फिर भी
जैसे आजकल ये ट्रेंड है ना कि कौन सा गाना है जो गाड़ी में चलेगा,
ओके
कौन सा गाना है जो ट्रेंडिंग होना चाहिए.
ओके
और पुराने आर्टिस्ट हैं, आई हैव एक्चुअली, आई कांट नेम देम बट आई हैव हर्ड देम से कि देवांशु, डू यू रियली थिंक कि अच्छा गाना नहीं बना के हमको ट्रेंडिंग गाना बनाना चाहिए.
ओके
एंड एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम आई वाज जस्ट एन एडी एंड आई कुडंट speak my heart. So it comes from a lot of angst also, the ambition of the artist community also, not just the suppression and repression and the regressive culture of mainstream industry. It is also about somebody in the mainstream industry wants to do right, which is her character.
Okay.
Somebody who wants to break out and start something of his own, which is Raghav's character. And the seeds were sown by Moj's character. And people like EPR who, like he said, he's directionless. Rudra is directionless, but later he finds his own path and he also helps everyone else and they try to find their own music. So this show is about all these kind of things, also family, blood, relationships.
So then to the singers here, do you feel this pressure? आज गाना is been discovered on Instagram, Insta Reels. क्या आपके ऊपर as an artist ये pressure होता है कि ये गाना should trend? And as a listeners, do you also discover new songs on Instagram?
In my case, a lot of songs have been spoiled because of Instagram. मेरे चक्कर में तो ये होता है कि मैं एक गाना अच्छा है, मुझे पता है वो गाना बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन वो इतना बजेगा Instagram पे, then I'll stop listening.
मैं आपको एक इसका अपसाइड बताता हूँ. जैसे आर्टिस्ट का एक गाना फेमस हुआ Instagram पे, 15 सेकंड ही सुना लोगों ने. उस आर्टिस्ट ने वो गाना, ये एक्चुअल हुआ है, ठीक है, ये उस आर्टिस्ट ने वो गाना शो पे बजाना चालू किया, बहुत सारे लोग आए उसको सुनने. सेम गाना चला रहा है वो, सब लोग खड़े हैं. वो 15 सेकंड आए तो अब लोगों को पता लगा अच्छा ये गाना है. वो नाचे 15 सेकंड, वापस से डेड. उस आर्टिस्ट का सब कुछ आइडिया ऑफ क्रिएशन चेंज हो गया. समझ रहे हो? वो लाइक कि मैं 15 सेकंड का ही बनाने लग जाऊं क्या? समझ रहे हो आपकी? मैं 15 सेकंड में वो अपनी बात नहीं कर पाएगा.
I think EPR has a different way. EPR कुछ बोलते हैं गाने में and that becomes the big news. क्या आप मानते हैं?
I have never, from the inspirations that the artists that I look up to, they never thought.
Because you've been called as this newspaper, you yourself have called yourself as this newspaper rapper.
Yeah.
Do you
The
pick,
reporter of the streets, yes, of course.
do you pick lyrics and
But
song
yeah,
ideas from
I've been a
newspapers?
student of journalism and mass comm. So the thing is, like, I want to express and not impress, first of all. And secondly, I don't want to be looked as a rapper jiski reel chali. That will not make me revolutionary, right? I would rather give an album which people like. That's better.
Or hate.
मैं हाँ
Yeah, or hate.
और hate.
Because if ये जो show है, this is about music, तो कितने नए गाने सुनने को मिलेंगे audience को इस show में?
20.
हाँ, 20 एल्बम में है. 22 सॉन्ग्स आर इन द शो और एक हमने एक्वायर किया है प्रभ का ही गाना, इनके एल्बम ताबिया से. मेरा बहुत पसंदीदा गाना है. आई वांटेड टू यूज इट एट अ वेरी क्रूशियल पॉइंट इन द शो.
हाँ, मेरे को भी रोना आ गया था उसी में.
Devanshu, in this country, we only know one music baron. We all know. How much of the story of this show is inspired by real life incident?
A lot actually. A lot actually. या मतलब आप देखोगे और आपको लगेगा अरे ये तो शायद ऐसा कुछ हुआ था, वैसा कुछ हुआ था. You know, there was a time when राम गोपाल वर्मा मेट सत्या, और उसमें हम रिलेशनशिप्स देखते थे माफिया को, और हमको लगता था ये शायद वो है, वो शायद ये है. तो वैसे आपको रेफरेंसेस तो आएंगे ही, बिकॉज वी आर अवेयर ऑफ आवर इंडस्ट्री एंड वी देयर प्रेस, देयर मीडिया, थिंग्स कीप फ्लोटिंग अराउंड. तो वो सब तो दिखेगा.
EPR, do you sometimes fear what if something backfires, like your latest song that was about the Bengal violence? Do you worry about like what if it backfires? And
No, I don't think that's the first thing that is taught to aspiring journalists or reporters. I mean, like, you need to be objective. You need to state the facts. So that's what I do. And hip hop comes from this philosophy that I need to uplift my community. And I think that's what an MC does. I mean, a rapper spits rhymes that are mostly illegal, and MC spits to uplift their people. So that's what I want to do. I mean, knowledge is the sixth element of hip hop, and I want to use it to spread awareness. And I don't care about backfiring.
And finally, what is that one quality about your character from this show that you like the most?
कि जितनी भी खलबली मच रही हो लाइफ में, उसको हाथ में लेके उसको मिटाना आता है अनन्या राय सिंह को.
Fearlessness.
Getting back up again after you fall. That is, I think, I really like about Raghav. That is something we've discussed multiple times. कि मुक्की खाओ, फिर वापस उठ जाओ.
I think hope, hold on, pain ends.
EPR, do you see your music rap affecting people and making an impact?
Even if it affects one person, even if वो मेरे लिए that's what I've achieved. I mean, like, it's a good thing.
But do you see fan messaging you?
Of course, I mean, I have seen people write about, people used to think that, there are only specific topics जिनके ऊपर ही गाने बनने चाहिए. So, and they say, like, your normal stuff, like, मेरे जूते इतने, मेरे ये वो, that it's stuff like that. But then again, to talk about issues like politics and complex issues, so that's what, I mean, like, it has helped people to even, there are people who read about it, so there are people who want to talk about it, so yeah, of course.
Well, in the end, I'm looking forward to watch this series, and thank you so much, and really looking forward to what you do next. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Looking forward to Animal Park. I hope you're safe. Are you safe in that film?
I hope I am.
But is Ranbir Kapoor's character is safe? Because now
All of us are clueless right now. Now we're waiting for our scripts.
we're looking forward to that and this. Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.